Hey flamingos, my name is Holly Draper and I am the creator of Draped. I am a creative sewist, a content creator, and an all-out creative. And I haven't been on YouTube in a while. Yes, I took a vacation, you guys. I needed to take a few weeks off from creating this, creating that, and to just be. So I am back and I'm actually really excited because we have collabed with Adara Brown Designs. And if you guys have not seen our, we dropped our swimwear collection at the beginning of July, and now we are getting ready to drop a brand new head wrap collection with the same print. So you'll be able to match your prints with your swimsuits. I love it. Okay, so the head wrap tutorial that we are going to do today is going to be featuring, it's called a black and white circle print. It is too cute. I need to, oh, here it is. Here it is. This is called the black and white circle print and it is too cute. I love a good black and white print because it matches with pretty much everything. These days I've been wearing a lot of solids, so black and white, it can go with the outfit I have on right now. So today I'm going to be doing, I think I'm going to do a full head wrap style and just tweak how it looks. You know, let's just get into it. So for this style, I'm going to have my locks actually how they are right now, and we're just gonna wrap over top of them. So you're gonna center your head wrap in the middle of your head, and we're going to tie once. And I'm already loving this fabric because it has a stiffness to it, and people are like, oh, stiff fabric, but stiff fabric makes the most gorgeous head wrap styles because the stiffness creates like these indentations and it makes your head wrap look more complicated than what it is. So yes, stiff fabric. If you have ever been around a head wrap artist, you'll see that sometimes that they actually spray head wraps with starch to make them a little bit more stiffer. And that just creates more indentation within the fabric so that it gives it a really cute and creative look. Okay, so I tied once, and I think for this style we need to make sure that the pattern is facing this side so that we don't get the white on this side, right? So I'm just going to fluff these out like this. And we're going to come around the head like so. And if you could get a close-up of this fabric, you'll start to see that indentation that I was talking about, right? Those indentations that make a head wrap really look creative, right? And then we're going to tuck each side on the side like so. Okay, I'm going to fix up this head wrap and come back for the final twirl. Okay, so I have fixed my head wrap in the way that I want it to look. And let me do a twirl for you guys. And that is it for this look, you guys. This is one of those ones that look complicated but is not. It's just as simple of the fanning of the fabric and to play with the stiffness, the texture of the fabric in order to achieve this look. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Love you guys. Bye.